The Shimoda Top Loader is possibly the most versatile bag in the entire Shimoda ecosystem. It was designed for quick access to mirrorless and DSLR cameras with mounted professional zoom lenses, and it can also fit compact drones like the DJI Mavic. In its normal configuration, the bag fits a camera with an attached 24-70. By unzipping the padded bottom extension, you can comfortably fit the camera with an attached 70-200, or 24-70 with the lens hood extended. We also added a divider so you can accommodate a drone with its remote and extra batteries. Another great feature is how the top loader transitions seamlessly between shooting styles. You can carry the bag by itself either with the included shoulder strap or attached to your belt. This is an excellent low-profile stripped-down way to carry a serious professional camera and lens. But the magic is in the way the top loader pairs with our backpacks, and especially the Action X series, for 4 more ways to carry. First, you can attach the bag to the waist belt of the pack to provide quick storage for your camera while shooting. Second, with the use of our optional accessory straps, you can attach it to the chest so that it doesn't interfere with your range of motion while walking around. Third, if you prefer to have the top loader more integrated, you can actually position it inside the Action X30 or X50 pack to be quickly accessed through the side zipper. In this use, it acts like a super adaptable core unit. And for the fourth and final option, once you get to camp, you can leave your large backpack behind, remove just the waist belt, and attach the top loader for a comfortable and supportive lightweight carry option to walk around with. The Shimoda Top Loader offers a remarkable level of versatility, carry options, and seamless integration. It was designed and constructed to face the ever-changing weather and shooting conditions that adventure photographers have to deal with. If you need a way to carry and quickly access a camera body with mounted lens or a drone, our top loader could be just what you're looking for.